Russia continues to rely heavily on electronic warfare to try and degrade Ukraine's capability in communication, surveillance, precision striking and drone warfare. But while these are some of the more effective systems Russia holds in their inventory, they are not suppressing with 100% effectiveness. Seen numerous times as the system is supposed to stop a specific function, but gets taken out by this instead. Here, a Borisoglebsk electronic warfare built on an MT-LB armored vehicle is meant to jam communication and GPS, but a Ukrainian drone, possibly the Ram-2 Loitering drone, struck and destroyed the system, reducing Russia's capability to conduct electronic warfare by leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.